friend Erin Chase here from $5 Dinners, and we're gonna go on a little field trip around town today. I'll tell you what I mean in just a sec, but when it comes to saving money on groceries, there's one thing that you've got to learn how to do, and that is to get a handle on meat prices. I've shared some hacks for kind of bulk meat cooking and getting loss leader, rotisserie chickens from the warehouse store, bulk ground beef, and what to do about that. Check out those recent videos here on the channel, but today specifically, I want to talk about the meat prices at the various types of stores in your area, what you can expect to see, and then I will show you those prices in my own stores here in San Antonio, Texas. I was having a chat, giving a presentation with a local MOPS group, which is Moms of Preschoolers, if you're not familiar with that. And there were lots of women in the room and we were sharing lots of really great ideas. And I got to this part about how meats are priced at various grocery stores. And as I was scanning the room and sharing this information, it was like I could see the light bulbs on top of their brains going off like, what? And as I was seeing that, I thought I have got to share this over on YouTube. So I am going to break that all for you down right now, what I shared with them here in this video. Okay, I shifted around a little bit because I'm going to show you kind of with my hand how this works. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the regular price of a particular cut of meat at your regular grocery store, just your local grocery store. So I'm going to use ground beef as an example. That regular price right now, depending on where you're in the country, there might be a little variation, but here locally for me is $5.99 a pound for an 80% ground beef. Again, that varies also by the specific variety of the ground beef. Also, this is going to vary by cut of different types of meat, chicken, pork, all that. But the idea here I want to show you is you have the regular price here, $5.99 a pound for ground beef. Okay. Then you have the sale price, and that's probably ranging right now between $3.49 and $4.49 a pound for ground beef. Again, I'm trying to match cut for cut exactly the same, but this is going to give you an idea of what to look for. The prices, the numbers might be different for you, but this concept will be the same at the different grocery stores for you. So regular price, sale price at your local grocery store, just your regular grocer down the street in your neighborhood, right? The middle of that, so right between the $5.99 and let's say $3.49 is going to be $4.49, maybe $4.99. That is going to be the price of ground beef at your warehouse store. So generally for the different cuts of meat, it's not perfect, but the range is there of regular price, sale price, warehouse store price. So then it's up to you to save as much as you can. That's obviously going to be following the sales cycles, getting the meat when it's on sale, getting enough to make freezer meals. We've talked about that before here on the channel. But the idea is to focus on that sale price. If you can't get it on sale, the next best price is going to be the warehouse store near you. Obviously, you have to have a membership for that, do the cost breakdowns, but I have found them to always be worth it when it comes to meat and other organic items. Other items in the store are going to be cheaper than getting at your regular grocery store by buying them in bulk at the warehouse. Anyways, back to regular price, local grocery store, warehouse price, sale price at your local grocery store. So understanding those three price points and how they fit within each other is going to then help you understand and make decisions on where to buy meat, when to buy meat, and how to follow the sales cycles or how to do bulk meat purchases at the warehouse store, like I've shown you with the rotisserie chicken and the ground beef from the warehouse store. So let's go and take a look at some of the prices that we're finding in my local stores. Here is a peek at some of the different price points for a grocery store where I don't normally shop, but I wanted just to give you a range of just regular price for ground beef, $4.99, $6.49, $6.99, really all dependent on which of the varieties it is, how lean it is. Here's another store, a little bit more expensive. Again, you can see the variation depending on the different variety of the ground beef there. There's also a really fantastic option for chicken that you can see here. This is $4.99 a pound. This is no sales, no coupons needed. A pretty decent price for a natural chicken. Same with the chicken thighs. So again, always be on the lookout for the best meat sales in your area. Now for a ground beef price breakdown. This is a full look comparing the different prices. This is the regular store price. We're going to look at the warehouse and the sale price as well. You can see again, kind of that variation, but average about $5.97 a pound for regular grocery store. Now here's the warehouse price, $4.19 a pound. This is going to be those big 6 to 7 pound packs at the warehouse store. So that's that middle price point. Again, no sales, no coupons needed there, but you do need a membership. And here's a sale price for 80% lean, $2.99 a pound, sold in a 3-pound roll. So that just gives you an idea of just what I've shared, the store price, the warehouse price, and the sale price, and how those compare. Now let's look at chicken breasts. We have $4.99 a pound for the natural chicken breast. This is a regular grocery store. There is a little variation in the price point depending on the different cuts that you're looking for. Here's that warehouse price. This is $2.99 a pound. Again, regular store, warehouse store. And then last, we're going to look at sale price. It was a $1.77 a pound, which is a pretty fantastic price. So be on the lookout for those. Same story with chicken thighs. We have $3.69 a pound for regular, $3.49 a pound for warehouse. And sometimes these are on sale, but not often. And then last, I wanted to show you just the price points for the rotisserie chicken. Regular store, $5.97 to $7.99, depending on which natural or regular. And then we have the warehouse, which is $4.99 a pound. So be on the lookout. Hopefully you found this pricing strategy for the meats to be helpful, helping you make the best decision on when and where you are buying your meat so you can save the most money on your groceries. We have lots of recipes to use up this meat you got on sale over on the $5 Dinners website. So visit $5dinners.com.